Hello, everybody, and welcome to Average Joe's, where you're perfect just the way you are. But if you want a few more cards to collection, check out, see what we got here. We actually have another pack battle against none other than, yes, it's a continuation of our pack battle with the Card Wolf, Mr. Card Wolf. We keep going back and forth. This is like a big boxing back and forth, like Rocky. So as you can see, it's back and forth. You can hear it. You can hear the excitement. Back and forth, back and forth. No real big winners. No real big losers. Some may say I have a little bit of a edge, but we keep going. We keep fighting. And like I said, this time we have ourselves the Heritage hanger box. This is what we're gonna do this time. And again, like always, it's gonna be up to our faithful subscribers, viewers, to decide who has the better pack. It's all in fun. So, nobody's going to get hurt either other way. But like I said, it's fun. It's, a pack battle. We keep battling back and forth. We do some football. We do some baseball. He has some decent stuff. And I have some decent stuff. And it just depends on what the people prefer. Not a big deal either way. But also I just wanted to recently did the 100 subscriber giveaway. Thank you everybody. It means a lot to me. It really does. Your subscribers. And congratulations to the winner. But trust me, there'll be more giveaways, and they'll only get bigger for each 100. So no worries about that. If you didn't get anything this time, obviously keep watching, keep keep up with the channel, keep watching, keep growing, and hopefully there'll be a lot more. Anyway. Let's check out the 1973, and maybe we'll get some of these, what is it, the Venezuela cards, or at least some good rookies, some good parallels. Nothing good so far. Lance Lynn, Yanni Hernandez, Hunter Renfroe, Bobby Delbeck, oh, we got something backwards. Jorge Soler, Mr. MVP of the World Series. Steven Duggar. I guess it must be some kind of parallel. Not sure. Flashbacks. Active home run leaders. Jake Cousins, rookie. Kyle Mueller. Azarena steals home plate. Interesting. Alfonso Rivas, Austin Hayes, and Aaron Judge. So nothing super there. I have to find out exactly what this one is. I can't really see the number on there to see what kind of different card it is. But anyway, not the greatest of packs, obviously. So Card Wolf might be able to get me on this one. Nice home run leaders with Albert Pujols, Miguel Cabrera. Pujols may be able to get 700 this year. Miguel Cabrera, he's over 500 home runs. I think he's not too far away from 300 hits. And then Nelly Cruz probably needs 2 more years to get to 500. And we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe, hit the like, let me know what you think. And then be sure you go over to Card Wolf and check out his video. And I wouldn't be surprised if his pack's a little bit better than this, since we didn't get much out of this one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.